welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Siri not working on iOS 18. iOS 18 brings an exciting update to Siri when the integration of AI features. However, many users have reported problems with Hey Siri not working after iOS 18. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is make sure Siri is turned on. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to Siri option. Make sure Hey Siri is selected in Siri settings. Similarly, toggle on allow Siri when locked and enter your device's passcode when prompted. Next, tap Siri responses. Select prefer spoken responses. Siri will now be able to recognize your summons even if your iPhone is locked and reply loudly. Additionally, check Siri settings and customize them according to your preferences. You may try selecting a new Siri voice. This said download new Siri data and may fix the issue. And you are done. And the next step is check your internet connection. Siri requires an active internet connection to process Siri commands. To refresh your connection, turn on airplane mode from the control center. Open the control center from the top right side of your phone and then tap on the airplane icon to enable it. Next, wait for some time and then tap on it again to disable it. And you are done. The next step is restart your phone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up, slide to power off, then wait for some time and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is ensure Siri works even if you keep your iPhone face down. For this, open settings. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, scroll down and select Siri and toggle on always listen for Siri. And you are done. And also you should clean the microphone. The next step is update your iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix Siri not working on iOS 18, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.